In this video, we're going to evaluate the surface integral, where f is z squared negative x squared and 0, and s is the rectangle with vertices at the origin 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 4, and 1, 4, 4. The formula we're going to be using for the surface integral is going to be f of r of u of v dotted with a cross product of the partial of r respect to u and partial of r respect to v. So let's first parameterize the surface. So notice that for x, the only x values we see here are 0 and 1. So we could just define x to be u, where u goes from 0 to 1. And then y is just 0 and 4. Same thing with z, 0 and 4. So for y and z, they're going to be equal to v, and v is going to be from 0 to 4. So now, r of u of v is just u, v, and v. The next step is to find the partial derivatives. So we're going to take the partial of r respect to u, which is just 1, 0, 0. And then the partial of r respect to v is 0, 1, 1. Next, we want to take the cross product of these derivatives. And when we do that, we end up with 0, negative 1, and 1. So now we figured out this part of the formula. Let's plug in r of u of v in f. So we recall that f was z squared negative x squared and 0. X was u, and then y and z were v. So f of r u of v is v squared negative u squared and 0. Now we need to take the dot product. So when we take the dot product, we end up with u squared. And so that goes inside the integral. And remember, v we said was between 0 and 4, and u was between 0 and 1. So let's first integrate this. U squared with respect to v. Well, u squared is a constant, so we could just multiply the length of the interval with u squared. So that's 4u squared. And then now we need to integrate 4u squared from 0 to 1. We take the antiderivative, which is 4 times u cubed over 3, evaluate from 0 to 1, and end up with our final answer as 4/3.